Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional flyer in Canva on your phone. By the end, you'll have a polished design ready to share online or print out, all from the app. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so even if you've never created a design before, you'll be able to follow along easily. Start by opening the Canva app on the home screen. Tap Create a Design, then type Flyer in the search bar. You'll see standard flyer sizes like A4 or letter, which are great for printing, as well as formats suited for social sharing. Pick the one that fits your needs. If you're planning to promote something online, choosing a social media optimized size can help improve visibility and engagement. You can start from a blank canvas if you want full control, or choose a template to speed things up. If you go with a template, browse the options and select one that matches your theme, business, event, sale, anything. Templates are 100% customizable, so you're just getting a layout head start. Canva updates its template library frequently, so checking trending designs can give your flyer a more modern and eye-catching look. Once it opens on your canvas, you're ready to personalize it. Tap any text box to edit the wording. Replace the placeholder text with your title, a short subtitle, and key details like date, time, location, or a call to action. Keep your headline short and bold so it stands out, and aim for clear, concise information. If the text feels cramped, adjust line spacing or reduce the number of words rather than shrinking the font too small. Remember that clean, simple messaging usually performs better, especially when you're sharing your flyer on social platforms. To add images or icons, tap the plus button. Choose Photos to search Canva's library, Uploads to bring in your own images or logos, or Elements to find icons and stickers. Search with specific keywords like music, food, or arrows, and tap to add. Place logos where they're visible but not overpowering, and choose high-quality images for a professional result. If you're promoting a product or event, try using real photos rather than generic stock images. This instantly builds more trust with viewers. Now customize the look. Select any text to change the font, color, or size. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts for a clean hierarchy. For backgrounds or shapes, pick colors that align with your brand or event theme, and prioritize contrast so text is readable against the background. A good rule of thumb is dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background. Also, try using your brand's color palette if you have one to keep all your visuals consistent. Arrange everything until it feels balanced. Tap Elements to move, resize, or rotate them, and watch for Canva's alignment guides to keep spacing consistent. Leave some breathing room around the edges so nothing feels crowded. Good spacing is one of the main things that makes amateur designs look professional, so take your time with this step. When you're happy, preview the design. If you've used animations, tap play or preview to see them in motion. Zoom out and check that the layout and text are readable at a glance. If not, tweak font sizes or contrast. Always test your flyer on a small screen, because most people will see it on their phone first. Finally, tap Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital use or PDF for printing. Save it to your device and you're done. That's your flyer, ready to share with the world. Before you publish, you can also create multiple versions of the same flyer, one for Instagram, one for WhatsApp, and one for print, to maximize your reach with minimal extra effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy mobile design guides. Comment below and tell me what you want to learn next in Canva or any other creative app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.